this series. As part of the challenge, the final task, the task number 5 that we have is today we are going to understand about validation and substitutions or the validations or the customizations, either of the thing. Whenever we are working in any projects, right, we see a lot of requirement from business that we wanted to customize certain things, or also like in terms of validations or a customization or a bringing some new reports or modifications in existing reports or adding new fields, or it can be any sort of things, right? So there is a lot of requirement in that. One of the basic thing or the common things what we will say is one of the things is like a validations and substitutions. So we should have that good understanding on how to work with the rise of objects. So the rise of objects, like what we know, your workflows, reports, interfaces, your conversions, your enhancement and smart forms, right? From all these, how to work with rise of object, how to prepare the all overall requirement. I mean, once you gather the requirement from business, from there on until you deliver, what are the steps involved? How, as a consultant, we need to handle this is all we need to understand. Now, when you understand all this, so in that journey, we need to work with various activities, right? Like preparing your various documentations and get all the approvals from business and the implementation team. And then you need to work with technical consultants like a BAPR or a basis team, whoever is required to complete your respective rise of object. Then once it is done, you need to make sure it has to be tested once again, right? So that's how we go with that. With that intent, I just wanted to check your level of understanding currently, how far you know about any one of the customization in any project requirement. Think about it. So I just wanted to make one field whenever you go to either F-02 or FB50 or one of the screens, you will find a reference field, right, at a header level of the document. And based on multiple criteria or multiple combination like company code, document type, and posting period. These are the three combinations I wanted to use. Let's say you pick up any company code that you have configured in a task one, and for that particular company code, let's say SA document type, right? You can pick any document type that you want. For this reason, what I'm saying, so maybe at least go with SA document type so that it will be easy for you to find out. And then you need to, let's say, the posting period may be the current posting period. Let's say posting period for a March. Only for this period, whenever you are posting, or particularly during the month end, if you wanted to do that. Otherwise, consider March month or the current month always. Okay. So this is the minimum criteria that I want you to test it. Whenever you get into the system, you pick up your company code and choose the right one of the document type like this and go with the posting period, the current posting period that you wanted to. In this case, it is a March, right? That's what I wanted you to test in your company code whenever you choose essay document type in only in a current month, but not in a past period and a future periods of the posting period whenever you use it. The posting period is if it is a current month as per our calendar. I mean, if your physical calendar, whenever you look into it, in current month, the reference field, what you wanted to validate, it should not be blank. Let's say that. So the test is like the reference field should not be blank. Okay, that's what I would say. Reference field should not be blank. This is what I want you to test as part of this one. So let's try this and let me know. So how you will bring this, maybe with a screenshots, if you can show me how you can bring this requirement. That's where you will be able to see how far you understood about so far in the customizations. Either it can be validation or anything. So that will give you some understanding how to start with any customization objects to work with, what and all needs to be prepared in that journey, and how you are finally going to achieve it, including the testing if you want to perform after uh, performing all your configuration and everything, then do this testing as well. This is the simple one of the task I want you to give a try so that we will see how quick or how better you are able to do this. Here it will improve to see, or it will let you know your understanding about how to write a logic for this one, right? And the all the understanding about the basic level. What do you mean by company code? What do you mean by document types? What do you mean by posting periods? All these are like a basic things now at this stage. Now that will help you to see how exactly you are going to bring all these customizations. Customizations is one of the crucial thing in any project. Without working on a customizations, so it is not something that I would say as a consultant you can go for another organization whenever you are applying for a roles. It's mandatorily every interviewer will look for your knowledge on customizations, how far, how much you know, and how far you can manage it. Right? This is one of the basic things I would say. Okay. So now let me know if you understood the task or any questions on this one. In this one, I'll include this. So this is the second task, what you can complete once you are able to complete the first one. Try to give it, prepare this FSD in case you guys need any help with a document, like a template for a FSD, let me know. Otherwise, I'll share in a group one of the templates for your reports particularly, so that you can use that standard template and update all your details in the same template. These are the standard templates used in all the projects. I'll share the same template that you use and you can update in the same template and share it back. Okay, once you prepare it. And the rest, the submission process as usual, it remains the same. Once you're done with that, either you can submit directly in a Zoom channel that we have already created, or you can ping me personally so that I can review our project, what you have completed so far. Okay, that's a quick about this challenge for now.